Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to style coarse curly hair. For fine to medium textured curls, start with a gentle clarifying shampoo to refresh your scalp. If your hair is dry, switch to our Pure Silk Moisturizing Shampoo for added hydration. For my client, she has coarse curly hair, so we're going to use the Irritated Deep Conditioner. Moving on to styling, for coarse curls, switch to the Moisture Balance Leave-In Conditioner to enhance softness. Sectioning is the most important part in styling. You can also add some finishing touches. A light mist of hairspray or a dab of oil will give the hair that radiant shine and long-lasting hold. And there you have it, gorgeous defined curls. Stay fabulous!